If you're thinking about buying gold bangles in Pakistan this year, you're in the right place. Gold jewelry is not just a fashion choice, it's part of tradition, celebration, and investment. In 2025, knowing the current market rates and trends helps you pick the right piece at the right price. We'll discuss the gold bangles price in Pakistan with their designs, current gold rate in Pakistan and why it matters. Before further discussing bangles, it's important to know how much gold costs in the general market. That gives you a baseline for jewelry pricing. Let's take a quick look at how gold prices have moved across October 2025. On October 8, the price of 24-karat gold in Pakistan was around 421,800 rupees per tola, which equals roughly 11.66 grams. Just 2 days later, on October 10, prices climbed to about 430,500 rupees per tola, bringing the 1-gram rate close to 36,909 rupees for 24-karat gold. By October 22, reports from several markets showed a further increase, reaching around 39,042 rupees per gram, or roughly 455,380 rupees per tola. Overall, gold prices have shown a steady upward trend this month, reflecting both global market movements and local currency shifts. When you're out shopping for gold bangles in Lahore, Karachi, or Islamabad, one thing to remember is that the design you choose makes a big difference, not just in how it looks, but also in its weight, price, and purpose. The market in 2025 shows quite a range, and understanding that can help you make a smarter choice. Let's look at what you might expect to pay this year. If you prefer a lighter pair, something like a simple or filigree design weighing around 10 grams in 22-karat gold, the base gold cost alone comes to nearly 345,000 rupees, assuming a per gram rate of about 34,500. Then, when you include making or design charges, which typically add another 25 to 40,000, the total price for a 10-gram pair lands roughly between 370,000 and 385,000 rupees. On the other hand, if you're looking at a thicker kangan or a bridal set, the price rises significantly. A single, heavier piece weighing around 20 to 25 grams in 22-karat gold might now cost anywhere between 690,000 and 860,000 rupees, depending on the craftsmanship and design. For a full bridal set of 4 bangles, prices can easily reach around 1.4 million rupees in some markets. In cities like Peshawar, a simpler design may start near 650,000, but as always, purity, weight, and detailing play the biggest roles in final pricing. These figures also reflect not just the rising gold rates but the artistry and labor that go into making each piece. Every jeweler adds their own margin for craftsmanship, which is why prices vary from one shop to another, and from city to city. When buying, it's important to look beyond just the price tag. Most jewelry in Pakistan is made in 22-karat gold, which is preferred for its balance of purity and durability. While 24-karat is purer, it's also softer, which means it can bend or lose shape more easily. Always ask your jeweler about the exact weight breakdown, the cost of gold, and the making charges separately, so you know exactly what you're paying for. It's also wise to shop only from trusted jewelers who provide hallmarking or certification of purity. And of course, the design should match your purpose. Go for lighter, sturdier options for daily wear, and choose heavier, more ornate bangles for wedding occasions or special events. Gold bangles have always been more than just jewelry in Pakistan. They're a part of our tradition, beauty, and investment culture. Whether you're buying for yourself, as a gift, or as part of a bridal set, staying aware of the latest gold rates, purity standards, and design trends can make a huge difference. With gold prices climbing in 2025, partly due to global market shifts and local currency pressure, it's clear that costs will remain on the higher side. But if you plan smartly, compare prices, and choose the right design and purity, you can still find excellent value, and a timeless piece of jewelry that holds both emotional and financial worth.